a revelation that Sizwe and Janinda never saw coming. Absalom Zungu steps forward with an allegation that shakes the very foundation of this investigation. According to him, Janinda and Sizwe Zungu didn't just follow procedure, they conspired. A plan, a motive, and a desperate attempt to secure a long-awaited promotion for Sizwe, who has remained a constable for more than a decade. Did they manipulate events, target the accused, and engineer a narrative that serves their personal ambitions? This is the story unfolding inside the courtroom, and the nation is watching. Tune in.
Now, and I'm going to that now, you said also he requested you to change the name, your surname, when you are testifying for them, change the surname from your surname Zungu to Khumalo, is that correct?
Uye waveza nephuzu ukuthi-ke makathi kuwe noma-ke makacela ukuthi ucela ukuthi uzobafakazela uzofanele ukuthi ushintshe isibongo sakho lesi sakaZungu ubusuke uziphendulela kwesakaKhumalo kunjalo?
Kunjalo.
That is correct.
And regarding this impersonation of Khumalo, or you using the surname of Khumalo, give us the background as to how that came about, what that entailed, if there were benefits at all. What were the benefits of using this Khumalo surname?
Manje-ke sichazele noma-ke silandise ukuthi-ke lolu daba lokushintshwa-ke kwesibongo kwaqala kanjani noma-ke wayibeka wathini wathi mhlawumbe kukhona yini inzuzo ozoyithola uma ngabe-ke ushintsha isibongo sakho sakaZungu uba okaKhumalo. Ngingasichazela nje kabanzi ukuthi-ke yathini leyo nkulumo makukhulunywa ngayo manikhuluma ngayo.
Wayechaza ngalokho mina kakhulukazi wayechaza ukuthi nje bacela bazoba necala khona bazobabopha.
He did, he explained it in that form, saying to me that he's making a request that I need to come and testify for them because they were going to make an arrest.
Wantshena nje mina njengoba basebenza noKininda uzothi yena uzomnika ipromotion akusho nje.
What he made mention of is that he was working together with Brigadier Gininda, and then he was out to get a promotion.
Ngazama ke mina ngalo promotion ukuthi ngimiyale ngakuthi indaba ongayithola ipromotion la usebenza khona.
Yes.
I then advised him and further asked him as to, with regards to this promotion issue, I said to him, why is it that you don't get a promotion from where you are employed?
I get that, Mr. Zungu, but the question is this. Did Constable Zungu tell you why the surname Khumalo was important or relevant in the context of you testifying for them?
Manje njengoba-ke faka isicelo kuwe ukuthi-ke sicela ukuthi-ke uzosifakazela lana. Uye wakutshela yini ukuthi yini ebaluleke kangaka ekutheni kufanele ukuthi uma ngabe uzobafakazela kumele ukuthi ushintshe lesi sibongo ubize ngesibongo sakaKhumalo? Uye wakucacisa yini?
Akangicaciselanga mina ngoba wayefihla leyo nto leyo azange angicacisele ukuthi yini isukaphi leyo nto leyo.
No, he did not explain to me because he was hiding this thing, and he did not tell me as to where is this all coming from, where is all of this coming from.
Mina ngatshena yena nje ukuthi into enjengalezo angeke ngizenze.
Then I told him that I would not do things like that.
Okay. Now, you just mentioned that one of the benefits that Constable Zungu said he will receive for his working in this case, or whatever information he was going to furnish to the investigative team, was that he was going to be promoted. Is that correct?
Akutshela kona kuphela uConstable Zungu mayelana nalolu daba-ke lokuthi-ke abe phakathi noma-ke abandakanyeke kule thimba labaseshi. Kwakuwukuthi-ke uma ngabe-ke sekuphelile konke uzothola-ke isikhundla esithe caca noma-ke ipromotion.
Akangitshenanga konke ukuthi kwenzekani. Mina wayexoxa nje kimi.
No, he did not tell me everything in detail as to what was it that was going on. He was just stating to me or having a conversation with me.
Ngingazi futhi nalelo cala ukuthi abakuseshayo yini oba mina okuningi nje njengabo laba beboshiwe. Ngisho njengalo ihleba azange ngichazele lutho. Angazi lutho futhi.
And furthermore, I did not even know as to which matter were they investigating, and even with regards to this matter where accused number 2 is arrested, he never told me anything about it. I did not know anything.
Okay. Let me clarify. So, let's not say it's this case, but whatever case he was working on with Brigadier Gininda, he said he was going to get promotion, correct?
Asilikhiphe udaba lwaleli ke icala esibhekene nalo noma ke size ngalo la namhlanje phambi kwenkantolo. Yena uye wakwazisa yini ukuthi yiliphi icala lelo ebasebenza naye uBrigadier Gininda kulona elizokwenza ukuthi ke athole ke ipromotion. Uye wachaza lokho.
wayengibuza nje ukuthi basebenza icala likaMeyi.
No, what he made mention of is that they were investigating Mayor's matter.
Abuze kimi ukuthi baba ngifuna umuntu abantu ababulala uMeyi.
And then he further said to me that, Father, I'm looking for the people who had killed Meyiwa.
Ilokho akakhuluma nje ekusho.
It's all-
Engasho umuntu engavezi futhi umuntu ukuthi necala lingelani leli.
That's all he mentioned, and he was not even saying what was this matter, what was the matter all about.
And besides the promotion, did Constable Zungu mention any other benefits or inducements that he was going to get?
Manje ke ngaphandle kwale promotion kukhona yini uConstable Zungu akusho kuwena ukuthi ke mhlambe inzuzo izinto azoyithola ngaphandle kwalesi sikhundla sepromotion?
Hayi, akayishongo ngqo. Yena wayethi mayikhuluma umboni khona into afuna ukuyiveza ke mangayivezi kodwa.
He was not direct, he did not get straight to the point, but upon his conversations, one would tell that there is something that he wants to state, but he did not.
And your testimony, Mr. Zungu, is that when you were requested to impersonate Kumalo or to use the surname Kumalo, your response to Constable Zungu was that you were not going to stand this thing of Constable Zungu and Brigadier Gininda. Do you recall that?
Uyakhumbula ke inkulumo yakho kwaba ukuthi ke emecela yena ke ukuthi ke ushintshe ke isibongo ubize ngoKhumalo. Wathi wena ke angeke uzuyimele le nto yakhe noGininda. Uyayikhumbula le nkulumo? I remember that.
Can you briefly explain what you meant when you said, I'm not going to stand for this thing of yours and Brigadier Gininda? What did you mean by that?
Ngachaza ke baba ukuthi wawusho ukuthini wena uma ngabe uthi angeke ngize ngiyimele mina into yakho noGininda usho kuye Constable Zungu. Wachaza ukuthini ngalawo mazwi?
Hayi ngangisho nje ukuthi baba ngiyibona ukuthi lo nto abenza nawo kimi ingozi ayilungile ukuthi bangayibeka bengayibeka idirect ukuthi yini ngempela kwenzeke kanje yini into esifunayo ngoba yena wayethi kimi bafuna abantu ababulala uMeyi.
What I said was that it's because what I meant by that I was not going to stand with what him and Gininda wanted me to do. It was because I saw that this thing was dangerous and wrong, because they were not even giving me details as to what it is that is happening. And the only thing that they would state is that they were looking for the people that had killed Senzo Meyiwa.
Okay. Now, you testified, Mr. Zungu, that at some time, Constable Zungu then called you whilst you were still at work and still asked you whether you would be able to assist regarding the use of the surname Kumalo. You recall that?
Kwaba nesikhathi ke futhi lapho ukuthi uConstable Zungu yakufonela wafica ukuthi ke wena usemsebenzini ekubuza ngalo lona lo daba lokuthi usozokwazi yini noma usaphumelela yini ukuthi ke ubasize malana nokuthi ke ushintshe isibongo.
Washo
Yes.
ngisemsebenzini nalapho nje ngibhizi ngizenzela owamsebenzi.
Yes, he did say that, and I was at work, busy with my work.
And your testimony is that you then responded to say, okay.
Uthi ke impendulo yakho kwaba ukuthi ke uthi wena kuye okay.
Sengifune ngichazile ke kuqala ukuthi ukuze ngisho njalo lo mfana usengihluphile kaningi engifuna lento.
I did explain firstly that the reason or my reason for saying that it's because this boy had been bothering me with regards to this aspect.
And your testimony on that, Mr. Zungu, is that when you said, okay, you did not mean that you are agreeing with him, but you wanted to hear what Constable Zungu's intentions are and whether or not Brigadier Gininda was also part of this scheme of you using the surname Khumalo or impersonating Khumalo?
Manje-ke wena ekunikezeni ngale mpendulo yakho uma uthi-ke wena uthi-ke kuyena okay kwakuwukuthi wena ufuna ukuzwa ukuthi kahle kahle-ke uzophelelaphi mayelana nalo daba lokuthi-ke wena ushintshe isibongo sakho ube uKhumalo kanti-ke futhi nokuthi nokuGininda lo uyabandakanyeka kuyo yona le nkulumo yabo yokuthi-ke bafuna ukuthi ushintshe isibongo.
Ngichaze kanje indaba yalesi sibongo
Let me put it this way with regards to the surname issue.
ukuze lo mfana lo mntanami ngalile engibuza isibongo ethi angishintshe isibongo mina mangalile uthi angishintshe isibongo wangitshela ukuthi into akade abayikhulume noGininda ukuthi mangishintshe isibongo.
And he made, after making this request to me, I told him that I would not, and then he told me that it was his plan, or they had planned this together with Brigadier Gininda.
Sengisuka ke mina ngithi ngelanga ibhizi ngomsebenzi ngithi ake ngibone lento afuna ukuyenza lo mfana mayithi angishintshe isibongo lengane yami.
And then I was busy at work, busy with my work. Then I said to myself, I want to see what is this, what is my boy intending with him saying that I should change my surname.
Ngoba njalo mayikhuluma into ke imuthi benoGininda.
Because at all material times when he made mention of something or when he spoke about something, he would also refer to Gininda, himself and Gininda, himself and Gininda.
Ngase ngifuna ukubona ukuthi noGininda ngabe lento bayikhuluma nithi angizoshintsha isibongo.
And I wanted to then see as to whether they indeed had this discussion together with Gininda of this surname changing.
Kwase uGininda yafona ke ekhuluma nami engibiza ngomthungu.
And then Gininda then phoned.
Engibiza ngomsilikazi.
Gininda then called.
Umsilikazi kaMashobana wafona ngathi mina angishaye wrong number angisiyo uKhumalo.
Then Gininda then phoned me and then called or referred to me as Mzilikazi Gamashobani.
Yeah.
I then responded by saying that no, you've got the wrong number.
What?
I'm not Mzilikazi Gamashobani.
Yes, Mr.
I'm
Zulu.
not from the Khumalo family.
Let's then go to this call by Gininda. You've already dealt with it in your interaction with Advocate Mnisi.
Akengiqedele lapho ukuthi angichaze.
Let me finish.
Shuthi ngafuna ukwazi mina ukuthi obebala uGininda njalo bala uGininda ngangisho ngabo umfuthi lokho ukuthi okay ngishise ukuthi ubala uGininda.
I intentionally said okay because in all his conversations would mention Gininda repeatedly so.
uGininda ke wasefona ke ekhuluma nami ke ngibiza ngomzilikazi kaMashobana.
It is then when Gininda phoned me and then referred to me as Mzilikazi Gamashobani.
What does this mean for the integrity of the case? If these allegations are true, how many lives were affected by a pursuit of power instead of justice? Thank you for watching and standing with us as we unpack every twist of this high-stakes trial. Your voice matters. Let me know in the comments. Do you believe there was a conspiracy? Should every officer involved be investigated independently? What does this reveal about the justice system? Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Tomorrow might bring even bigger revelations. Thank you for being part of this journey. I'm Skybridge. Goodbye.